Here at Omnisend, we're always exploring exciting new horizons and always looking for more ways to add real value for our customers. We listen carefully, and one thing is clear: consumers want real connection. But authentic connection is hard mark to hit for businesses trying to scale. So we asked ourselves, what if we could deliver something revolutionary? Something groundbreaking? Today, Omnisend introduces something bigger than email, bigger than SMS, and frankly, bigger than digital itself. A feature so innovative, it bridges the gap between clicks and tangible human experiences. Introducing Omnisend's new feature, email to real mail conversion. For a small convenient fee, we will print your emails, carefully fold them into premium envelopes, and deliver them personally, right into your customers' waiting hands via our highly trained network of carrier pigeons. Because great marketing is about real connections, especially ones carried by pigeons. Or April Fool jokes. At Omnisend, we prefer to keep email marketing powerful, intuitive, and pigeon-free. Omnisend. So good it's boring. Thankfully.